Bibigyan namin ng corner sheet sa ating that machine. Wait, kuya. Bibigyan natin si kuya na ng try. Alright. Roll your pen. Okay. Salipin na ito. One time lang mga iPad. Obviously, they did a very good job lahat sila. But there's gonna be one winner of the shirt. Let's go! Okay? Kapag ginawag yung pangalan nila, kung siya manalo, para nga sa nung palakpakin sila. Who is in favor with? Contest number 1, Mr. Roy over there. And the winner is gonna be Sir Macau! Take a read for sir. May iwan ka na dito, mag-work ka na dito. Ayan. So, may iwan si sir. Okay, thank you so much for that kind of program. So, kung hindi naman si surprises, better not next time, okay? So, maraming salamat po. And to see you guys next year or anytime po. Sana bumalik kayo for swimming, for parties, for overnight. Kaya pala. And para over guys there, pupunta tayo ng Sokovia Pass 2. Balik tayo sa bus. Mga taga Holy Rosary, balik po tayo sa bus. So, ba tayo sa Sokovia. After that is the 2, mag-lunch po tayo. So, thank you so much guys. Hope to see you po.
Grabe, hope na lang.